Hi, I am Marcus Heitkotter, the CEO of Rockwell Trading. In this short video, I want to show you a simple day trading strategy that you can use to trade the futures and forex markets. What you see here on the screen is the chart of the euro currency versus the US dollar. The charting software that I'm using is Genesis Financial Trade Navigator, but you can use this strategy with any other charting software as long as it fulfills the following three criteria. First, you have to be able to display tick charts. Second, you should be able to plot Bollinger Bands on your chart, and third, you should be able to plot the MACD on your chart. These are two very popular indicators, and most charting packages like eSignal, TradeStation, Metastock, Sierra Charts, and others support these indicators, so you shouldn't have any problems. We're using the MACD to identify the direction of the market, and then use Bollinger Bands to derive our specific entry signal. I want to keep it brief in this introductory video, and if you're interested in the settings and how to set up your charting software, then just fill in your name and email address in the form on the right, and I will send you two more videos. So one explaining how to set up your charting software for this trading strategy, and the other one explaining the rules in more detail. Again, we're using the MACD to identify the direction of the market, and here's how we do it. We identify an uptrend when the MACD is above the zero line and above its moving average. So here in my charting software, it means that the MACD, represented here by the blue line, is above the zero line and above the purple line, which is its moving average. As you can see, as long as this criteria is fulfilled, I'm coloring the bars green. In the same fashion, we identify a downtrend. If the MACD is below the zero line and below its moving average, the purple line here, then I color the bars red. Again, in the video, how to set up your charting software, I explain everything in detail. Just fill out the form on the right and I'll send it to you right away. Now, once we have identified an uptrend, we use the Bollinger Bands to determine our entry point. Take a look at this example. At 6:21 in the morning, Central Standard Time, the MACD is already trading above its moving average, and it is now crossing the zero line. According to our definition, we are now in an uptrend. We then use the upper Bollinger Band to determine our entry signal. The value of the upper Bollinger Band right now is 147.90, so we place our buy stop order exactly at this price. On the next bar we are filled, and now we place our stop loss in our profit target and set the trade on autopilot. You can see the values for the stop loss and the profit target up here. Again, I'm explaining to you in detail how to calculate the stop loss and the profit target for any market in the video How to Set Up Your Charting Software. We place a sell stop order 15 pips below the market, right here at 147.75, and a sell limit order 22 pips above the market, here at 148.12. Now the trade is on autopilot, and we just have to wait. As you can see, for a couple of bars, the trade is hovering around our entry price, and then the market is quickly moving towards our profit target. Bang, here, filled. 22 pips in a few minutes. This strategy works great in the futures and forex markets. If you want to know the exact rules of this simple trading strategy, then just tell me your name and email address, and I will send you the next two videos in which I explain to you how to set up your charting software and the detailed rules of this strategy. I'll talk to you soon.